Hello and welcome back to the WP Club YouTube channel. Today we are going to speak about the WordPress Multisite. Multisite is a type of WordPress installation that allows you to create and manage a network of multiple websites from a single WordPress dashboard. This lets you easily make changes and keep all your websites updated from one place. So keep watching our tutorial to know how to install the WordPress Multisite. So today we are going to speak about the WordPress Multisite, what functionalities it has and how we can convert our WordPress site into the WordPress Multisite. The WordPress Multisite is a type of WordPress installation that gives an opportunity to create and manage multiple sites. They are used and regulated from a single WordPress dashboard, as I said before. This means that we can make any changes on our website from a single admin dashboard and the changes affect the other sites. We may simply make our multi-site a network and have access to it. Or we are able to add other users who can create their own websites in our network. Moreover, we may limit the access to many WordPress features. For example, the University of Harvard utilizes a WordPress multi-site network that is called Harvard Blogs. This gives an opportunity to all the holders of harvard.edu email addresses to create their own blogs in the network. The bloggers may publish the blog posts on their website, but only the multi-site owner, that is called super admin, can make global changes or install plugins, etc. Now let us see how to make our WordPress site a multi-site. So what do we need for this action? So WordPress gives you an article from which you may gain knowledge on how to create a network. I shall leave the article link in the description. In the first step, WordPress notifies that our WordPress site will be updated when we try to create a network. If you do not use a newly installed WordPress or do not fear changes on your WordPress site, then you may start creating the network. But if not, then you should back up your WP site. This is a mandatory step to back up our files and database. We have a video tutorial about this process. You may check it via the link mentioned in the description section. After that, we should deactivate all the plugins activated on our WordPress site. And after activating the network, we shall get back to these plugins. So let's start. At first, we need to copy this constant and paste it into the WordPress config.php on the top of this line. Let's go to our WordPress admin dashboard and deactivate all the plugins. After that, we need to go to the local disk C and by passing through the folders, find the WordPress folder, WP folder. After entering the folder, you should choose an appropriate folder of multi-site. And after that, enter one of the general files of wp.config.php. Find the mentioned line and paste the previously copied code into the top of that line. Currently, I apply these actions through the local host. That's why I'm showing you the whole process through the editor. But you may try to do so through the FTP or file manager. And after adding this in the tools section, the network setup submenu will appear. Here we see where the direct installation should be placed. Here are the server address and network title, email address of the super admin. So now we need to press install. And then we need to add this part to the wp.config.php file at the top of this command. After that, we need to copy the next piece and place or replace it in the ht.access file. After successfully applying all the actions, you can log into your admin dashboard. And now, as you may see, it is already a multi-site. Here we may enter the network admin dashboard. From here we can regulate and see all the sites, also add new ones, change the admin email and press add site. So this will be my second website. After that, we can edit, deactivate, change the sites. Also, we can activate and enable all the themes and plugins. But note that if I deactivate them from the admin dashboard, they will be activated or disabled from all the sites in my WordPress multi-site. And the base looks like this when I was using a single WordPress. After updating it, we'll see another view. And here is our prefix. This refers to the second WordPress site. And 12 out of the 13 tables of the default WordPress were cloned. Except for the one table, WP users, that is the same for all the sites. All the tables are different for each of the websites because the files such as media files, posts, pages are different for each of them, and only the users are the same for all the sites. That is why the WP users table is added by default. So today you have learned how to install the WordPress multi-site and why do you actually need it. So if you like our tutorial, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn the notifications on. Much more is coming soon.